Hello students, I am your maths teacher. Today we will start with international place value system. In previous lecture we done Indian place value system. So we will start international place value system. See here, in this system we have three periods. One is ones, second is thousands, and third one is millions. In ones period there will be three places, that is ones, tens and hundred. And in thousand period there will be also three places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And in the million period there will be also three places, 10 million, 10 million and 100 million. See here, these are the important three places periods of the international place value system. If we get any example and we have to write it according to the international place value system, firstly I already told you that you always separate the numbers after a period. See here, if we have the I already told you we have to separate the numbers after a period in this system. There are in this period ones, tens and hundreds. So we have, this is ones, tens and hundred, and we have put a comma here. See, I will put here the comma. Then thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. These all are three numbers come in thousand period. So we put comma here. After three digit here I will put the comma, and 2 comes in the million period. We can also write at it as ones, tens, hundredth. See here, I will write here for you ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000, and this is called a million. See here, I already, now we will start writing with the number name according to the international place value system. First one is 2. So 2 million, I write here 2 million. Have you seen here? First one is 2, so I will write here 2 million. Now next is 173,000. 100 73,000. And next one is 400 156. See, in this way we can write number name in the international place value system. So one more example is this. I will write here, you also speak with me. This is 7. So 7 will come in which type period? Million period. Yes. So I will write here 7 million. This is 894. So they three are in which period will come? Thousands period. So I will write here 894,000. So you also write, speak here with me, 894,000. So next three digits are come in which period? Ones period. So I will write here 500 68. So, have you all understand how you will write in the international place value system? So, I will give some questions to you. You all have to do practice at home. Thank you.